So in today's class we learn modification of charts. In the last class we have already seen how to insert a chart and we get the option inside the insert tab. So today I will take another table like name and marks. We have taken five student names with their marks. Now let's see the chart with these data. First of all, select this data and then click on insert tab. After clicking insert tab you have to click on charts. Okay, so here many charts are given. In the last class we have already discussed about this all type of charts. Now I will take any one chart, like I will take this one and then click OK button. Now this chart will appear. See, when the chart is appeared, here two more tabs are added in the bar. That is your design tab and format tab. In the design tab, you can see many designs are given here with different colors. Okay, when I click in this first one, it will be slaty color, then blue, red, like this. Okay, here arrow is given. When you click in this arrow, you will get more designs. See, here we will get more designs. When I click here, the design will be changed, the color will be changed. Okay, now next tab is our format tab. When you click on format tab, when we click in format tab, here we can change the font size, font shape, outlines and many more things. Change color, effects. Okay, click here. Okay, then this one, see, the outline is changing. See, blue, red, in this way. When you click here, you can see the background is changing, the background color is changing here, like this. See, many colors are there, you can change in this way. Hope you all understood the difference between the design and the format tab. Now next, see, shape fill, shape outline. This one, see, when we click in word art styles, the style will be changed in this blue, in this red. The outline of the font is red color and inside it is white, I think. See here, in the white it will be white color. Here also you can click in the arrow and you will get more font styles. See, whatever you select, here it will be change. Now see, text effect, like this. Many options are there. Okay, you click here and see, many options are given here. Reflection and all. See, you see the reflection here also, like this marks we will see in the opposite side also. See here. So in this way we can change the font color, outline with the help of the format and design tab. Now many things are there inside the chart, like this is called legend. This marks, this square box, it represent you the legends. Okay, that means this green cylindrical part shows the marks of the particular students. Okay, like Adnan will get how many marks? 50 marks. Okay, then next John will get 55 marks. The outline is given in different ways. See, this is 0 and this one be 1. Okay, sorry, 5. Now this will be 10, here 20, 30, 40, 50, here 50. Now this is 55, like this way. Okay, we will take different chart now, so that it will be more clear to you. Normal chart we will take. Okay, column chart, this normal column chart. Okay, now it will be more clear to you that Adnan will get 50 marks, then John 55, then Michael 75, Anmol 82, and Ravi 44. Okay, this is your legend. Okay, now you can change the legend also. That means the background of the legend. You will right click the mouse button here. See format legend entry. You will click here. Then here gradient field, texture field, like this picture or texture field. You can click here. You will get more option. See texture. You will get many options in texture also. I'll close it. Okay, now see here the small square box having different color, and this one is also different color. Now I will change the background of this chart area. Right click there and click on format chart area. Now when I click in format chart area, see picture or texture fill. I'll change here. I'll take this one. Now close. So in this way we can change the background of the chart and the legend part. This all we can change. Hope you all clear. Now our next topic is printing worksheet. So printing worksheet is very simple. You have to first go to this office button. Now print. Okay, you'll get three options: print, quick print, and print preview. With the help of print preview, you can see the preview, how it looks after printing. See, it is out of the boundary, that's why it will not come in our page. So first of all we have to set our data part. Okay, we have to bring it here. See, you have to bring this chart here for printing. Delete this one. Okay, now again go to office button, print, and print preview. Now this time we'll get our chart. Okay, now in this way you can take out the printout. See, you can directly take out the printout also. Click on print. Okay, here you can select your printer which is attached to your system. Next, print range. If you have to print all pages, then you click on all. If you want to print only one page, that is from 1 to 1. We have to print from 1 to 1 like this. Now selection means print what, which you have to select, or active sheet or entire workbook, full workbook. Okay, now number of copies, you have to find how many copies you want, 1 2 3 like this. Okay, now then click on OK button. Now I will click in cancel button. So here our chapter is over. In the next class I will send you the notes of this chapter number